In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Microsoft Teams recording. When a meeting ends in Microsoft Teams, the recording is usually saved online, rather than directly to your computer. That means, if you want to keep a copy, edit it, or share it outside of Teams, you'll need to download it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find your recording and how to save it. Step by step. First, open Microsoft Teams and sign in with the same account that was used for the meeting. That's important, because your ability to access and download the recording depends on the permissions of that account. Once you're signed in, go to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Chat or Teams section, depending on where the meeting was originally held. Find the meeting where the recording was created. This might be in a specific team channel or in a one-on-one or group chat. Scroll through the conversation until you see the recording thumbnail. It will usually look like a video preview with the meeting title and a play button. Click on the recording to open it. In many setups, the recording will open in your browser, often in a service like Microsoft Stream or OneDrive, depending on how your organization is configured. Give it a moment to load. Longer meetings might take a bit of time. Once the recording is open in the browser, look for the download option. This is typically represented by a downward-facing arrow icon or a download button. If you don't see it immediately, check the three-dot menu or More Actions menu near the video controls. Click that, and you should find the option to download the video file. Click Download, and your browser will begin saving the recording to your computer. By default, it usually goes into your Downloads folder, but you can change the location if your browser prompts you. Wait until the download is completely finished before you move or open the file, especially for longer recordings. After it's downloaded, you can open the file with your preferred video player, rename it so it's easy to recognize, or move it into a specific folder for better organization. If you plan to share it, you can now upload the file to a storage service, send it by email, or add it to a learning platform depending on your needs. And that's all there is to it. Open Teams, locate your meeting, open the recording, find the download option, and save it to your computer.